Hello YouTube, welcome back to Classic American Flyer Trains. As you can see, number 312 is smoking out really awesome today. I've decided to move my control buttons over to the corner of the layout. Wanted to try to continue to give it that retro layout feel. I also added in this 50-watt transformer. I was going to use it to control the trains and then use my double transformer, which is a total combined through 150 watts, just to power the accessories. This is what my dad had when I was growing up, running the one train under the tree. It had been bought for him and his brother to be able to each run their trains at the same time back in the late 50s. I believe it's number 22090. And it's, I believe, the largest watt-wise transformer American Flyer made. Anyway, I thought I would, like I said, continue with the retro look. Unfortunately, the transformer is a bit underpowered. The trains will run and the 312 will smoke nicely, but not as nice as you saw here. I recently, several weeks back, purchased a 322 smoking boiler, and it'll run decent on here, but the smoke output is poor. Where now it'll run good and smoke good, being back with the large transformer. And so I've played with the idea of putting lights in the Plasticville buildings. So if I do, I will control it with this transformer to give it to keep it here, to give it the look and also a purpose. As you can see, I've added in all my buttons, and coupler, whistle, and the poor sounding whistle. This one right here will eventually control this uncoupler on the siding. I just haven't drilled holes and ran wire and such. I've actually rewired the layout to some degree. It now has four of the, can't think of what you call it, for the track, to hook up to the track. Anyway, I got them in basically four corners of the layout with larger wire. Now I figure that would help the smaller transformer, but only to some degree. So I really like the look of the corner control panel and that. See the train run again.